filter for the BMW X5 and see that it's completely dirty, and he didn't change for the 3 years. Very be careful, damage the something inside the engine and the air mass sensor. For all filter, use this part. Is very perfect and the good quality for the MANN, and you can use that, and it's very good quality, good condition, and it's like the original one, and it's not very expensive, good price. And always I use this oil filter for this car, and sometimes the customer bring the parts, I'm okay, but usually we get a MANN. Okay, and I open the oil filter. I have the lever on and drop the oil, and then I take off to clean it and put the new filters. I remove the oil filters, and now we have to take off. And when we take off, need to clean everything inside, and need to change the one gasket here as well, and definitely put a new one, don't put the old one back. Okay, the gasket we put the bag. We put the new filter inside. One is for the new filter. Look at this one. This one, it was old. It's completely different, and it's a very good quality, this one. And then we just put inside one. Okay guys, and now we have to reset the service light, and I've got the message here for the brake fluid, engine oil, and inspection and the weekly check. And now we have to reset that, and for the inspection need to use the here, and just need to put a date, and easy to reset. And for the service light I show you how we can do the here as well. اینو که بزنیم میتونیم بهش دیت بدیم و عوضش کنیم. Yeah, on location. Okay, the light coming, and this one for the brake fluid, and this one for the engine oil. Okay, everything is finished now, and the car ready to drive. Thank you so much for watching.